9:30. So I'm looking for coffee now. Coffee dito. Okay, that's our hotel. Yan, doon siya. Tapos papasok ka doon. Wala pa kaming damit. Wala pa kaming damit. Sana. Wala rin akong tracker. So, hindi ko rin matrack saan yung bag. We're doing yoga this morning. I'm going around. Wala akong slippers. But it is what it is. Kaya naman. Yun. We'll see you later. We'll just have coffee. Hindi masarap yung coffee, but at least I can have my coffee. So, we're on our way to Papi Yoga. Wala yung motor. They had one job. Ganun talaga pag maliit na hotel. So, we're on our way to Papi Yoga. So, our program is at 9:30. So, okay. Jesus! Ay, sus!
So shy. Gusto mo uwi ka namin? Uwi ka namin. Kaya pala lalaki ka eh.
Look over the right hand. So right hand is going towards the swimming pool. Maybe bend the front knee a little bit more. Yes, that's it. That's it. Very nice. You can also check.
Wala nang yoga-yoga. Pampagod vibes.
Parang si Kit-Kit na.
Move the left elbow from the outside to the right.
Parang si Kit-Kit na.
Right shoulder. You can stay like this, or you can lift the back of the stretch. Okay, we hold it for 3 breaths.
Okay. A few moments later. What is already new, but you have to convert money back.
Wala naman ako naintindihan doon sa lalaki. Hindi naman siya nagsasalita in a sentence. Puro words lang. Pero yung babae mas naintindihan ko. Pero mas maraming times kasi yung lalaki yung nagsasalita eh. Naintindihan ko na very strong yung 5th house ko. Which
So, ano ang 5th house?
Hindi ko nga sure eh. Basta sinasabi niya fertility, di naman fertile. Sabi niya fertile, very, basta very strong yung 5th house ko. Yung creativity, very strong. Tapos may mga childhood traumas. Magbabasa pa ako more about the 5th house kasi yun yung medyo hinighlight nila eh. Pero yung sinummarize niya, sabi niya basta follow your heart. Pero parang wala akong masyado na pick up kasi kalahati doon or 60% doon sa session. Hindi ko naintindihan ng lalaki. Puro words lang sinasabi niya. Walang prepositions. So hindi nagko-continue yung thought process ko. What? Sabi niya destiny and just the wind, the destiny, the wind. Wala ako naintindihan. Binigay ko yung pinakamababang range. Kasi di ko na-intindihan. Kung maganda sana, bigyan ko pa siya more. Pero di ko naman. Yung babae lang yung okay. Yeah, di mo maintindihan. Puro siya words only, no preposition. So, di nagko-continue yung sentence niya. Pero, sa'yo naman, no? Ganun. Nasa valley kayo, sa experience mo yan. Okay. So, today, after eto, eat tayo sa Babi Guling. And then, I want to go to Bungalow Living. Buy tayo ng pillowcase. And then we check out Kerobokan area. Yung sabi ko sa'yo na street full of ano. Ayun lang. So, let's
Ngayon,
go.
check
Let's
out na
eat.
tayo.
Yeah, check out na now. Let's eat na. I'm hungry.
What's that?
Vegetable from jackfruit with black.
Jackfruit.
Yeah.
Skin and rice.
Ano? Kamusta? Good?
Na-miss ko yung,
Crunchiness?
yung lasa ng Indonesian food.
Crunchy. Sarap. Pinasikat nung Mark food vlogger.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Good night.